Hi guys, Trevor here. Tomorrow, Viddyoze 3.0 is going to be released. Now, there's something very, very special about this that you really need to know, big time. And that is that the way they do things at the moment is going to change, okay? Now, in case you're not familiar with Viddyoze, it's a video creation app, an online cloud-based app. It's very, very professional, very, very powerful, and you get a huge amount of templates. But that's not the thing. The thing is this: I've used Viddyoze myself to create videos. So when I say I've used Viddyoze, as in the app, to create videos to sell, and I've sold them to companies all over the world, and this is a great way to start making your money. But the important thing is this: there's a 4-day launch opening up tomorrow of Viddyoze 3.0, okay, the new version. But after the 4 days, that's it, it expires. They're going to change the whole thing. They're going to change the way they do it to a marketplace kind of situation where people will go on and buy per video. Now let me just show you this video here so you get an idea of what I'm talking about. I think we can catch, just make sure that you're going to get my computer audio. 1 second. I'm not sure how this is going to come out, so let me just try this.
Things are going to change. Once those 4 days are over, that deal will expire. And I don't just mean for a few months. It's going to be gone forever.
So this is the way it's changing, and what it means is that you've got the opportunity to get in now or tomorrow. And sorry, let's just turn these notifications off. Let me just. Jonas, give me a second. Now take a look at this. This is the thing. Okay, this is how it's changing. How much money can you save with Viddyoze 3.0? So it's going to a marketplace pay as you go. So if you don't have Viddyoze 3.0 but you wanted to get in on the selling these fantastic videos, you'd have to pay $10 per render, right? Now that means if you did $170 renders in a month, it costs you $1,700 as an example. Whereas you pay $67 one time for your commercial license. That gives you access to 170 unique animations. You can render as many times as you want. That saves you $1,633. But here's the thing: you don't want to be paying per render anyway, because you want to make sure that it was what you wanted. I mean, they've just been crazy. So you've only got 4 days to get this, which is why I wanted to get this video out to you first. This isn't my full review video, but I do love videos and videos, I should say, and I'm going to be reviewing this, and I'll be giving you more details as it comes. But let me just take you over to this is inside my account. I just want to give you an idea of the kind of quality and the size of this. All templates is 260 there, recently added 12. If we go over to maybe live action, for example, we just hover over these to get an idea. Print a double page. So you've got some really cool stuff. You've got a massage tattoo, like it actually moves as they're pushing it. You've got here, you can see you've got your image on the actual wall there while these people are moving. Business cards here. So this is like, I mean, it's amazing stuff, you know, because live action, you can imagine the sort of videos that you could put together and sell, and it's no wonder that you could sell them. Look at this. You know, it's fantastic. Now you're going to see me doing demos of all of this kind of stuff. Alright, but I just wanted to say this, you know, it's coming tomorrow, and you really don't want to be going for this $10 per render. Excuse me. These are high quality videos. Excuse me, I've run out of water. And it's only going to cost you $67 to get the commercial license, which is a one-off fee. You won't have to pay anything after that. Now you can join the club, and the club is, I think it's $37 per month, and you get loads of templates. I'll be doing all that in my review, and I do recommend that you join that, but you don't have to. But what you should do is get Viddyoze 3.0. Of course, I'm going to give you crazy bonuses, but I'm also going to give you bespoke training so that you can get running with videos very, very quickly. Now, just to give you a little idea here, it says that there's 80,000 users, 1.25 million videos, and Viddyoze is saying goodbye. And it is saying goodbye because this is your last chance to get in before it goes over to the marketplace. Once you're in, you're in. But if you're not in, that's your lot. Okay, so I just need to get that across to you because these guys are changing the way they do things, they're changing the way they operate, and I don't want you to, to miss out. So look out for my videos and my reviews and everything else, and make sure if you want this that you get it through me, because I'm going to be giving you an incredible bonus bundle for this, I promise. Okay, see you on the next video. All the best, Trevor.